Alright, here we go, guys. Live Blitz chess, number 21, I think. Bird opening. I'm playing someone's 1478. I'm really serious about winning this game here. Really serious. 1436 is my rating. Going with the queenside space. Okay. Always play h3. Because if you castle right away, then they have time to play queen d7. Now he does not. c3. Writing that piece again. Go ahead, get my knight for a bishop. Now this bishop's diagonal is even more open. Gain space. We like space. I'll take this endgame. If he wishes to trade or like that, then I would take that. I would honestly take that queen swap and get my bishop down there, because that would have been crazy. Bishop on d1. It's a good spot. I'll close the position naturally because I have more space. In closed position, space is even more important. Let me see. It looks like I'm gonna be going for a b4 break this game to free myself. Oh, he really wants to attack me. That's funny. I can go for this now because he's wasted so many moves attempting to attack my king prematurely. He's not developed. He's weaving his bishop into my camp. And the queen's probably going to follow. Defending his e5 pawn. I'm going to get a great diagonal for my bishop. Well, he's wasted so many moves with his bishop. I got one really just because I have more space. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. So I can go for a dark squares attack too. It's not just him. I'm doing this so he can see that he's forced to castle. There we go. This attack was whimsical almost, in a way. Oh, now my light squared bishop's hidden b7. This is fantastic. Oh, we're not afraid. We don't get afraid like that. Might be afraid of other stuff, but we're not afraid of that. We need another piece in there, like a rook. I attempted to move that rook down. I can either defend the pawn, take on b7, or start my own attack because I have a check on d6 that's gonna checkmate this dude. He's made it. Pretty easy game. We'll get you guys that mate at some point. Yeah, he just traded a bishop for a knight, and then my bishop was really good, and he went on a really weird attack that was flawed, and then dropped a knight and thought he was going to be able to checkmate me when I was quicker. There's that mate for you. Woo! I think I was on the dark squares too.